Welcome back again. As you know that right now we are exploring number of ideas behind the storage technology related to the virtualization. Let's see, we have to discuss another example here on the screen. You can see that we have number of host machines over here, and we created number of virtual machines on it. Most of the time when we talk about small and medium-sized networks or enterprise networks, we have number of options related to the deployment of virtualization. In this scenario which we are discussing right now here, most of the time all the resources are available inside the host. When we talk about the resources, I can suppose about the compute resources. I can also suppose about the storage. I can also discuss about the networks and security. So most of the time all these resources exist inside the physical host, and by utilizing all these compute resources, storage and network resources, we implement virtual infrastructure as we did during the previous demos related to the virtualization. But when we talk about enterprise networks, we have other options related to the storage deployments of virtualization. Here you can see that when we talk about the enterprise networks, most of the time due to the large number of VMs and due to the large number of storage capacity requirements, we need to deploy another technology which is called Xen, Storage Area Network. And for that purpose, we number of vendors like HP, Dell, IBM, Lenovo offer number of storage solutions for virtualization infrastructure. So in that scenario, our storage area network or our storage resource is out of the box. Like this host cannot contain any storage resources for the purpose of deployment. So two resources, compute and network resources, are available on that host, while storage capacity this host will utilize by storage area network, which is an external device or external availability of the storage media. So in that scenario, we have number of protocols requirement on behalf of which these physical hosts can connect with these virtual storage area networks and collect all the virtual machines from that side. So the concept is very simple. When we are going to deploy virtual machines, we utilize compute and networking resources from this host, while all the VMs will be stored on external storage, which is called storage area network or called the Xen devices, and all the VMs will be stored over here by utilizing the cabling infrastructure. This would be our cabling infrastructure. Here you can see that. So whenever this physical host want to access this virtual machine over the physical infrastructure or over the cable infrastructure, this physical host will require number of protocols which can help them to get virtual machines or any kind of data from this storage area network. So let's get into the basic concepts related to the protocols which are playing important role in the industry of storage area networks.